It's true, but when the time coming, I can feel it. I ain't really got no feelings, look. What? I know my time coming, I can feel it.
Okay, so boom. This is a disclaimer, all right? As I'm sitting here editing this video, I realized throughout this whole entire video, the back of my wig cap is announcing itself and it just wants to be known. So if you just so happen to see this in the video, just hit the like button and let's just keep it pushing. All right? What's understood don't need to be explained. All right? Enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's your girl Vicky XV and I'm back with another video. If you want to see what this video is about, stay tuned. Alright, so boom, I'm gonna hop right into it. So this video is gonna be an unboxing. So in my previous video, I was telling you guys about pretty much like a lightening cream to help lighten your feminine areas. So what happened was I was watching one of Glamazonte videos. I love me some Glamazonte.
This black-owned company reached out to me and said they had a bleaching cream as well. So I'm like, of course, let me see if it works because y'all know I'm all about bleach and my hoo-ha-ha, all that kind of stuff. Because I like to keep it even.
She pretty much, as soon as she put the website that she got it from, I purchased it immediately. So this is it. I'm about to do the unboxing and give you guys my initial review, and we about to get into it. So I ordered this, I want to say about, it's been less than a week, honestly. I can say that. I want to say maybe, I don't know, I ordered this Monday. And I don't know, don't give me the line. I'll put it down below when I ordered it. But it came super, super fast, so I'm super excited about that. And this is dope. The packaging is cute. This is the little bubble wrap. This is just my info. And look. Yes. It's nice and packaged. So it says pretty parts. It's a natural lightening cream. It clears and heals blemishes, restores the skin's evenness, promotes uniform skin. And yeah, this is great. I'm super excited to be using this bad boy. I'm excited. Let me take it out. So, of course, you guys know it wouldn't be a video unless my little fat mama stopped. Oh, fat mamas. Oh, my baby. My team. Okay, so I'm about to read the instructions. Excuse me if I'm like this trying to read the directions. A bitch is old. Okay, so it says apply pretty parts cream on bikini and inner thighs. Leave on. Rub in until fully absorbed. Do this 2 to 5 times a week for 2 months or until desired results achieved. Do not use inside vagina or inner lips. Use exfoliating gloves and turmeric mask with this regimen for best results. So also on her website, I also list the website is black owned. Go check it out, okay? Go check it out. She has a few things on her websites for your pretty parts. She has some vaginal pills. She also has a turmeric mask where she states on the back of this, pretty much you can use this with the turmeric mask. But you already know me, we do our own turmeric mask over here. But no, I'm super excited about this product. Of course, before I purchased it, I definitely did my reviews, and you know what I mean? Nothing but great reviews. And Glamazonte ain't lied to me yet, okay? And I don't know about you, but if you ever seen Glamazonte in little bikinis, everything is one color. This right here, I'm sorry, I'm bleaching my intimate parts. And I'm not about to pay nobody no arm and no leg to have my hoo-ha up in the air. I can do this myself. When I get out the shower, I take me a little dime drop. Let me open it for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. And I rub it on into my thunga. She said that you won't see results until like a week or two, which kind of makes sense because this says do it 2 to 5 times a week and use for 2 months until you get your desired color now. So this was just the initial unboxing of the package that I'm gonna do. I just wanted this to be the unboxing. I wanted you guys to open it with me, see what it looks like. It's 50 milliliters. So I just wanted this to be the unboxing. I'll come back within like a week or two, and there'll be part 2 to this video, and I'll give you the update to see if it's really working. But I think it's gonna work. Why? Because Glamazonte ain't lied to me yet. And if she did, that's crazy. But no, period. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Remember to turn on that bell notifications. Every time I upload a video, you know. And we gonna see you in the next video. Mittens, come on now.
Spaz out, rolling, zip to the gas on trip. Cause bro got the grip in the bag. Let's go like true, don't wait, it's a bag. You watching my moves, I hope that you